Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this smartphone. First of all, you need to open Settings. Then scroll down and choose Password and Security. Now tap on Lock Screen section and click Continue in the pop-up after 5 seconds. Then tap on the best login method for you, in my case Pattern. Now you need to enter it and repeat it. When you're ready, you can also add fingerprint by choosing Add in this pop-up. I don't want to do that, so I will go with Cancel. And now when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that Pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!